Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta, in which the ocean is obstructed by its waves. We do not see. Whatever we do see, and whatever we do not see may be clear, but freedom from all things is also free from this. Not seeing is itself the limit of our seeing. Seeing is itself the limit of our not seeing. To be without extremes is the extreme pathway of the middle way. In the mandala of the Vajra sky, we do not see any extreme or middle, any existence or non-existence. Self-luminous awareness has no extreme or middle. An awareness of wisdom will have no position or side. Awareness that is clear does not act to obstruct anything. In our uncontrived and natural state, we have nothing to contemplate. Self-originating awareness is brought to its conclusion. This is not gradual. It is clear in a single moment. We do not visualize any self or other. We do not contemplate anything at all. In awareness that is beyond clarity, everything is clear. Experiential awareness is free from conceptualizations. It is clear to our direct perception and is not a visualization. Self-originating wisdom is a transmission of self-luminosity. The awareness of clarity is the supreme samadhi. It is like the blazing light of the Vajra sun. Unvisualized clarity cuts through our conceptualizations. Non-contemplation is itself an extreme of contemplation. Misunderstanding is itself a space of understanding. As for wisdom that does not wander, it is clear within the way of pervasiveness that is like the sky. Without stopping anything, there is a directly perceived clarity. We do not turn away. We do not engage. This is the way it is. Our equanimity is to abide in a way that is middling. When we follow the trails of demarcated sounds, we are going backwards from the experience of non-contrivance. When we make vows about our uncontrived awareness, we are meditating on only half of what it means, to perceive something directly. We use our conceptualizations to contrive something that is uncontrived. We hold something that is not to be visualized. Within our visualizations, we systematically deviate from the objective, which is beyond any strife.